Imagine having flawless, glowing skin, all without spending hundreds of dollars on products or using harsh chemicals. What if I told you that the secret to radiant skin is already sitting in your kitchen? Stick with me because in today's video, I'm revealing the ultimate guide to natural skincare in 2025 using just 3 simple ingredients: avocado, green tea, and honey. This is skincare the way nature intended it. Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Bright Minds, and today we're diving into one of my favorite topics, natural skincare. In 2025, we're all about keeping it real, keeping it simple, and keeping it natural when it comes to beauty. Gone are the days of relying on chemicals and high-end products to get the glow we deserve. Today, I'm going to show you how you can create your own personalized skincare routine using ingredients you likely already have in your kitchen. These ingredients not only save you money, but they also work wonders for your skin, offering hydration, nourishment, and a healthy glow. Let's talk about how avocado, green tea, and honey can completely transform your skincare game. Let's start with avocado, a fruit that has gained legendary status in the world of skincare, and for good reason. Avocado is packed with monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which works to deeply hydrate and nourish your skin. These healthy fats help restore the skin's natural moisture barrier, leaving you with soft, plump, and smooth skin. If your skin has been feeling dry or tight, avocado is your new best friend. But that's not all. Avocados are also rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps fight free radicals, reducing the signs of aging, and protecting your skin from sun damage. In addition, vitamin E helps repair and restore skin elasticity, making it a go-to for anyone looking to keep their skin youthful and glowing. Now, how do we use this powerhouse ingredient? Here's a super easy DIY avocado mask. Mash half of a ripe avocado and mix it with 1 tablespoon of honey, which we'll talk about later. This mask is a true hydration bomb, helping to lock in moisture while also soothing and repairing your skin. Apply it to your face and leave it on for 15-20 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. You'll feel an instant difference in how smooth and nourished your skin feels. Pro tip: avocados can also be blended into smoothies to hydrate your skin from the inside out. It's a great way to get those healthy fats and antioxidants directly into your system. Next, let's talk about green tea, a skincare ingredient that might surprise you, but it's actually one of the best natural antioxidants out there. Green tea is packed with catechins, which are known for their anti-inflammatory and anti-aging properties. These antioxidants help protect your skin from UV damage, fight free radicals, and reduce inflammation. But what makes green tea really special is its ability to detoxify the skin. It helps remove toxins from the surface of the skin and unclog pores, leaving you with a clear, fresh complexion. Plus, green tea can even help fight acne by balancing oil production and reducing redness. Here's how you can easily incorporate green tea into your skincare routine. Brew a cup of green tea and let it cool. Once it's cool, use a cotton pad to apply the green tea as a toner to your face, which will help tighten pores and refresh your skin. It's a gentle, natural way to balance your skin and restore a healthy glow. Want to take it a step further? You can create a green tea scrub by mixing cooled green tea with some rice flour or sugar. This will exfoliate your skin gently, removing dead skin cells and leaving your face feeling fresh and rejuvenated. For those suffering from puffiness or dark circles around the eyes, place a chilled green tea bag on your eyes for about 10-15 minutes. The anti-inflammatory properties will reduce swelling, making your eyes look more awake and refreshed. Finally, let's talk about honey, nature's golden elixir. Honey is more than just a sweet treat. It's packed with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it ideal for anyone with acne-prone skin or those dealing with skin irritations. Plus, honey is a natural humectant, which means it draws moisture from the air and locks it into your skin, keeping your face hydrated and glowing all day long. When it comes to skincare, raw honey is the best option. It's unprocessed and retains all of its natural enzymes and antioxidants, which work to heal and rejuvenate the skin. Honey helps heal wounds and scars, reduces acne breakouts, and even lightens dark spots or hyperpigmentation. Here's a quick DIY honey face mask. Take 1 tablespoon of raw honey and massage it gently into your face. Leave it on for about 15 minutes to allow the honey to work its magic, then rinse with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel soft, moisturized, and naturally glowing. For added benefits, mix honey with a pinch of turmeric for a brightening mask that fights acne and evens out skin tone. Honey and turmeric are a dream team when it comes to tackling dark spots and discoloration. Apply it to your face, leave it for 15 minutes, and rinse off for an instantly brighter complexion. Pro tip: honey can also be used as a spot treatment for acne. Just dab a little bit of honey directly onto blemishes and leave it overnight. It will help reduce redness and speed up healing. Now that we've covered the 3 core ingredients, avocado, green tea, and honey, let's talk about a few more tips to enhance your natural skincare routine. As we know, hydration is the foundation of healthy skin. Along with using these ingredients topically, remember to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Proper hydration from within makes all the difference for achieving that glowing, youthful skin we all want. Your diet plays a huge role in your skin's appearance. Incorporate skin-boosting foods like berries, leafy greens, nuts, and healthy fats into your meals to support your skin from the inside. Consistency is key when it comes to natural skincare. These DIY treatments won't show instant results, but if you stick with them regularly, 2 to 3 times a week, you'll see improvements over time. Trust the process. To recap, today we've talked about 3 incredibly effective natural skincare ingredients: avocado for hydration and repair, green tea for detox and anti-aging, and honey for moisture and healing. Each of these ingredients is easily accessible, affordable, and has amazing benefits for your skin. Using natural skincare isn't just about saving money. It's about treating your skin with kindness and embracing what nature has to offer. Whether you're dealing with dry skin, acne, aging, or just want to maintain a healthy glow, these ingredients have got you covered. If you're excited to try these natural skincare tips, drop a comment below and let me know which ingredient you're most excited to use. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and share it with a friend who loves natural beauty. Make sure to subscribe for more skincare tips, DIYs, and wellness advice to help you glow naturally in 2025. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.